involves something that has happened to Muzi Sibiya. Just after normally Sibiya. We're just completing that sentence.
Page 2, okay, yeah. La khona umhlangano wawunento ehlanganisa umuzi Sibiya. Uyaqhubeka ke la ebesigcine khona ukufunda ukuthi umhlangano la khona ke lo mhlangano lowo wawuhlanganisa phakathi noma ke udaba lalunento ehlanganisa umuzi Sibiya phakathi.
Do you know of such a meeting?
Unolwazi ngomhlangano onjalo? I don't know, my lord.
I further know that Makosonke Zungu used to visit Foslora's hostel back in the year and around the period when Senzo Meyiwa was killed.
Ngiyazi futhi ke nokuthi uMakhosonke Zungu wayevamise ukuya eFosloras hostel kuleyo minyaka leyo ngaleso sikhathi leso sokushona kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa noma sokubulawa kwakhe uSenzo Meyiwa. I don't know, my lord.
But you confirm that you do know Mr. Makosonke Zungu.
Kodwa ke uyaqinisekisa kona ukuthi umnumzana uMakhosonke Zungu uyamazi? I do know him, my lord.
You confirm that you do know the hostel in Fosloras.
Nokuthi futhi ihostel nayo eFosloras uyayazi. Na uyaqinisekisa? Angithi uqeda ukuthi uyaqinisekisa ukuthi Makhosonke uyamazi uthi futhi ke umshushisi uyaqinisekisa nokuthi ihostel nayo le eseFosloras uyayazi.
Senkantolo ngicela lokho lapha bengithi uMakhosonke Zungu oyiphoyisa angani mangibona ukukhumbula kahle angimazi uMakhosonke Zungu oyiphoyisa.
My lord, if I were just to revert to the issue of Makhosonke Zonke, so the Makhosonke Zungu, who is a police officer, I do not know a Makhosonke Zungu who is a police officer.
Did I read Makosonke Zungu who is a police officer at this stage?
Njengamanje nje ingabe ngifunde uMakhosonke Zungu oyiphoyisa kuloko engiqeda ukufunda.
Unkosonke ngisarandela lapha emuva uMakhosonke ongenile uMakhosonke oyiphoyisa.
I'm going back, my lord, where it was read before that the Makhosonke that was read was a police officer, my lord.
I'm talking about Makosonke Zungu. Ends there.
Lana ke manje kuloko engikufunda ithi Makhosonke Zungu igcina lapho. Okay, my lord, I know him.
And the Fosloras hostel.
The hostel yona eFosloras. That he knows it, my lord. I would.
We're not talking about Makosonke. We're talking about the hostel, a building.
You know the hostel.
When uyayazi hostel yaseFosloras. As I said, my lord, how I know it is that you used to go and perform there. That's how I know it, my lord.
I believe Mr. Ndwandwe speaks to Mapisa in a very private and sensitive matters while Mapisa is still in prison.
Ngiyakholwa ke ukuthi umnumzana uNdwandwe uyakhuluma noMaphisa bekhuluma ke ngodaba noma ke indaba ke ezibucayi ngalesikhathi uMaphisa esejele noma ke engaphakathi ejele.
I
don't know about that, my lord.
And then do you know Mr. Ndwandwe?
Umnumzana uNdwandwe uyamazi? I know Ndwandwe, my lord.
Mr. Mapisa, do you know him?
Uyamazi umnumzana uMaphisa? I know him, my lord.
And then do you know that Mr. Mapisa is in prison?
Nokuthi uyazi ukuthi umnumzana uMaphisa usejele? Yes, I do know, my lord.
Did you then mention this fact to Brigadier Gininda?
Ingabe ke lokhu wakusho yini ku Brigadier Gininda? I never said it, my lord.
I do not know what they discuss, but one can tell that it is on trust basis due to their long relationship.
Angikwazi abaqoqayo noma abakhulumayo, kodwa ke umuntu angasho nje ukuthi ke kuphathelene nokuthembana noma nokuthembeka nanjengoba ke beyabantu ke abanobudlelane obude noma ke obunesikhathi eside bukhona.
Angikwazi kusenkantolo lokho.
I don't know about that, my lord.
When did you start knowing Mr. Mapisa?
Wena waqala nini ukumazi uMaphisa?
Kusenkantolo njengoba ngachaza ekuqaleni ukuthi uMaphisa ekubona nesigodi sami sihlukanise umfula.
As I earlier on indicated, my lord, that my Pisa's home or my Pisa's parental home, as well as my village, my lord, we are separated by a river.
Do you know where accused number 5 stays?
Umsolo wesihlanu la ahlala khona uyamazi?
Kuphi le ndawo kusenkantolo?
Where exactly, my lord?
In KZN?
KZN.
Umsolo kohlanu bani?
Ntuli.
Ntuli. Ngiyamazi kusenkantolo ngachaza ngokubuka kamama.
Yes, I know, my lord. I did indicate that it was on my mother's side.
What is the name of that place?
Igama la leyo ndawo leyo ibizwani?
Sosuthu.
Osuthu.
Whilst on this, how far is Usuthu in relation to Kohlokolo?
Sisekulona ke udaba lolo Osuthu nase ohlo na Kohlokolo, sorry, Kohlokolo ungathi ibanga phakathi kwale ndawo ezimbili ibanga elingakanani?
Qhele kakhulu kusenkantolo.
It's far, it's very far, my lord. It's very far.
And then, do you know a place called Ekushumayeleni?
Indawo ebizwa ngokuthi kusekushumayeleni uyayazi?
Yes, kusenkantolo.
Yes, my lord.
Is it correct? That is the place where accused number 1 is from?
Ingabe kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi ila abuya khona umsolo wokuqala? Masikhuluma ngomsolo wokuqala sikhuluma ngosibiya.
Sibiya. Yabo ngapha ngoseshumayeli phasi amahlabathi.
Yes, he is from Ekushumayeleni under Mahlabati.
Okay. The person on paragraph number 6, the person who can confirm the contents of the Sibiya family meeting to me was Nokunjabulo Sibiya.
Umuntu owayengaqinisekisa kumina okwakukhulunywa kuwona umhlangano wakwaSibiya uNokujabula Sibiya.
Kusenkantolo angikwazi lokho.
My lord, I don't know about that.
Do you know this Nokujabula Sibiya?
uNokujabula Sibiya uyamazi?
Angimazi kusenkantolo.
I don't know him, my lord.
Do you know any siblings of Mr. Muzi Sibiya?
Ngabe uyazazi yini izingane zakubo Muzi Sibiya?
Angizazi kusenkantolo ngifuna uqamba.
No, my lord, I don't want to tell lies. I don't know them.
She Nokujabula Sibiya is a very close sister to Muzi Sibiya and a close friend to me.
Yena ke uNokujabula lona udadewabo ke uMuzi osondele kakhulu ke kuyena futhi ke umngani wami osondele kakhulu ke kumina.
Angimazi kusenkantolo angikwazi lokho.
I don't know him, my lord. I don't know about that.
Did you furnish this information to Brigadier Geninda?
Ingabe wakusho yini lokho ku Brigadier Geninda?
Angikwazi azengikusho lokho kusenkantolo.
I don't know it, my lord. I never said it.
Then this on paragraph 7, this oath that was commissioned provided to you.
Lana ke ku 7 ke ila oqinisekisa khona ukuthi uyakwazi ke lokho okubhalwe lana nokuthi uyakuzwa noma ke uyakuzwisisa khona ke lokho okubhalwe lana ukuthi ke awunankinga yokuthi ke ungakufungela ngona lokho okushilo lana nokuthi ke isifungo lesi siyisibophezelo kunembeza wakho.
Kusenkantolo konke okubhalwe lapha angikwazi.
My lord, all of this that is written here I know nothing about.
And then your signature appears at the bottom of the oath.
Ngaphansi kwaso ke isifungo lesiya wabese uyasayina ke.
And then that will conclude the statement.
Space yaqeda ke ngaso istatement.
Now let's go back to Annex 3, which is a statement of Colonel House. Just before we get to that statement of Colonel House, my apologies. During your evidence in chief, you testified that the statement was taken around June 2020.
Kubufakazi bakho ushilo ukuthi istatement lesi uma senziwa ke kwakungabo June 2020
Or the police came to you around June 2020.
nokuthi noma amaphoyisa eze kuwena ngoJune ka2020.
Esikhathi ngiboshwe yuve.
But when
That's
I got
correct.
arrested in Nyuvele, yebo.
Yes, Nkosi kaNtolo.
Yes, my lord.
But do you see the date at the bottom of the statement?
Kodwa uyayibona idate le ebhaliwe la ezansi kusona istatement.
Ngiyabona Nkosi kaNtolo.
I see it, my lord.
Are you then prepared to admit that you could have been mistaken regarding the date?
Ungavuma mhlasimpe ukuthi ke ungabe wenze iphutha ngedate.
Kusenkantolo idate isikhathi ngiseyuvona angisayikhumbula idate wawubani bengivuma lapho ukuthi yimi engangibhala la le date kusenkantolo.
The date I was in Newville, my lord, I cannot recall exactly or precisely when it was, but I was just confirming here that indeed it was me who wrote here.
And then you wrote the date in which this statement was taken.
Wabhala ke idate noma ilanga leli istatement esathathwa ngalo. Mina kama le date ebhalwe lana ile date istatement lesi esabhalwa ngayo.
Kusenkantolo ngikukhumbulayo nongubona manje ukuthi yimi engangibhala la. Kodwa ngisakhumbula kahle ukuthi idate wawubani. Kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi yimi engangibhala la egcinile.
What I can recall, my lord, and as I'm seeing it here, my lord, is that I'm the one who wrote here. This is in my handwriting, but I'm unable to recall the date as to when exactly it was. But I can see that I'm the one who wrote there at the end.
I am putting it to you that the statement was completed on the 26th of July 2020.
Ngiyasho ke kwena ukuthi ke ilona ke ilanga leli istatement esenziwa ngalo ke i26 July 2020.
Ngiyawuzwa Kusenkantolo.
I hear you, my lord.
Okay. Now let's move to Annex 3. This is exhibit of Exhibit DD5 on page 6.
Page 6.
Let's focus now to Annexure 11. Oh, index number 11.
Number 11. Yes.
You were asked by Mr. Ramos Sipele, for accused number 2, that if that is your cell phone number,
Ubuziwe ke ubaba uRamsipile omele umsolo wesibili ukuthi inamba yakho yini leya.
and then your response was no.
Waphendula ke wena wathi cha.
Yebo Kusenkantolo le.
Yebo le egcina ngo4770.
Cha akusiyemi Kusenkantolo.
No, it's not mine, my lord.
Okay. And I agree with you. According to accused number 2, this number belongs to his paternal uncle, called Shoes, as well.
Ngiyavumelana ke nawe. Ngokubufakazi bakhe umsolo wesibili ke ukuthi ke inamba lena ke ekamalume wakhe ke ngakuhlangothi ukama wakhe ke naye ke obizwa uShoes.
And then, do you have a brother called Sifiso Zondo?
Unaye umfowenu ogama lakhe leUsifiso Zondo.
Kusenkantolo baningi. Sifiso Zondo ba.
There are many, my lord, Sifiso Zondos, because we are a huge family.
Do you have a little brother named Sifiso?
Unaye umfowenu omncane kuwena owusifiso.
Kusenkantolo ukhona emndenini ngoba ngithi umndeni omkhulu. Ngithi umama wami akekho.
We do have one, my lord, in the family, as I'm saying that it is a huge, a big family, my lord, but not to say that from my mother, no.
Accused number 2 testified that your younger brother is Sifiso Zondo.
Ubufakazi bakhe abethulile umsolo wesibili uthe umfowenu omncane igama lakhe uSifiso Zondo.
Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. I'm indebted. Accused 2 instructs me that this proposition that is put is incorrect, my lord. He says, Advocate Baloyi did ask him about this Fiso Zungu, whether or not it's related to Shu Zondo. And accused number 2 said, I don't know whether they relate. Not that he said it's the younger brother of the witness before court.
Sifiso Zondo, not Zungu.
Yes, Sifiso Zondo. Sorry, my lord. I may have made a mistake with the surname. Sifiso Zondo.
Umeli-ke uyasho ukuthi umsolo wesibili ulungisa-ke inkulumo eshiwo umshushisi-ke lo yokuthi-ke yena-ke umsolo wesibili utshele inkantolo ukuthi uSifiso Zondo umfowabo omncane wakhe-ke ubaba uZondo lo owufakazi manje ukuthi-ke ubuziwe ngalo mbuzo ebizwa uyena ubaba uBaloyi wasethi yena-ke uma ephendula akazi hayi ukuthi utshilo ukuthi umfowabo omncane.
Yes, doctor.
Court, please, my lord. My recollection is that he did mention that Sifiso Zondo is the little brother of accused of the witness before court, but we'll leave that for arguments, my lord.
Mangikhumbula kahle-ke ukushilo kodwa-ke sizokuyeka-ke lokho sizokhuluma ngako-ke ekugcineni.
I see accused number 3 still raising his hand.
Yeah.
My lord, it's the instruction from accused number 2 that he sticks by that version, and also that when a number was put before that accused number 2 has said that is the maternal uncle. That is not correct. That is the paternal uncle, my lord, not from the father side. That's the distinction.
Uthi-ke usamile-ke kuloko akushilo umsolwa wesibili ukuthi-ke yilokho akusho ngesikhathi ebuzwa-ke nokuthi-ke umalume lona-ke ekhulunyiwe ngaye akuyena-ke noma-ke ubaba omncane akusiyena-ke umalume ngakuhlangothi lakulo mama.
Yes, I did say it's paternal uncle.
What's that?
I'm saying I agree with what Mr. Ramos Sipile says. I said his paternal uncle, index number 11, Shuzi. I agree with the correction, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. And then, do you have a brother by the name of Nduna?
Unayo mfowenu? Okay, igama lakho kuunduna. Wala bhala induna.
Index 155.
But unduna. Unayo mfowenu ogama lakho kuunduna?
yebo khona.
Yes, there is.
Is he also known to accused number 2?
Uyazana naye nomsola wesibili.
Bengazana ngoba vela kuthi mayesekhaya babonana baningi abafama sekhaya ngisho njalo. Babonana behlale bonke.
It's possible that they would know each other because when he's back home, they would be able to see. Let me say that there are many, like in brothers back home, so they would be together when they're back home.
And then, do you know if Nduna Zondo, your brother, is known to accused number 5?
Uyazi yini ukuthi umfowenu uNduna Zondo uyazana nomsola wesihlanu
Ongibani umsowehlala.
Ntuli?
Yebo ngazana ngoba antunduna welamntwana ngelamayo. So uyamazi ngokweside sekhaya uma la kubuka mama.
It is possible that they would know each other because Nduna comes after the sister who comes after me. So they might know each other from the mother's side of the family.
And then, is Nduna the same age as accused number 2, Mr. Ntanzi?
Unduna lona ungathi bangalingana ngokweminyaka, hayi ukuthi mhlawumbe bawuntanga, mhlawumbe nje ukuthi basondelelane phecelezi ngesilungu masingathi nje baku age group eyodwa, bangalingana ngeminyaka nomsola wesibili.
Angeke kusenkantolo.
It's not at all, my lord.
Do you know their age difference?
Uyawazi umehluko phakathi kweminyaka yabo?
Noma ngayazi kodwa okantanzi ungalingana noyithunjana elela mayena uNduna hayi yena uNduna.
Although I do not know, or I don't know Ntanzi's age, but it is possible that Ntanzi might be the age or might be in the same age group as the one that comes after Nduna, but not Nduna himself.
Right. And then, prior to the arrest of accused number 1 in 2020, did you have any telephonic contact with him?
Ngaphambi kokubanjwa kwakhe noma kokuboshwa kwakhe umsola wokuqala ngo-2020 ngoJune 2020 waxhumana yini naye ngaphambi kokuthi aboshwe?
Ongaphambi ukuthi aboshwe kusota enkantolo.
Yes, on the 30th, is it 30th or 31st of May 2020?
Yebo, la aboshwa khona ngeyi-30 noma ngeyi-31 zikaMay 2020. Ngaba phambi kwalokho kwakukhona ukuxhumana yini kwakukhona phakathi kwenu nobabili?
Kusenkantolo kwakukhona kodwa kungasafani ngesikhathi ngihleli naye ngoba ngisho ngithi akusele umuntu angifonela naye umuntu angimthathela yona ukuthi ngizomfaka emsebenzini wasehamba bosebenzele eRustenburg. Bangaxhumani naye.
Apologies, but I don't know whether they're speaking the same.
No, accused 1, not accused 2. I'm getting to that.
Okay, sorry. I could get from the answer that we are not referring to the same person. Cha wena ukhuluma ngoNtanzi, ne? Umshushisa kabuzi ngoNtanzi, ubuza ngomsola wokuqala uSibiya.
Oyaxoxa khona kodwa masangu bayisabuza ukuthi umsolo uqala ba. Hayi uSibiya bengaxhumana naye kusenkantolo.
No, my lord, there was no contact with Sibiya
At all.
Nhlobo nje.
Hlobo nje star.
At all, my lord.
I want to then demonstrate to you there was communication between you and Mr. Sibiya.
Ngifuna ke ukuthi ngikukhombiseke manje ukuthi ke kwakhona ukuxhumana kwakukhona phakathi kwakho nomnumzana uSibiya.
And then we see this on case ID 103-1325, page 12 of 514. Let me just read it. The number 277937900137 on the 8th of September 2019, 13:52:11, MOC lasting 73 seconds. The number 278239065669 contacted Mozi Sibiya whilst in 3G Wesselton MPU.
Sibuka lana ke ngey 8 ku September. Okay. Sorry. Ngey 8 ku September yebo 2019 isikhathi u1352 ama seconds awu 11. Inumber egcina ngo 0137 noma 079 3790137 kuyinumber ke lapha phambi kwenkantolo ekuthiwa ke inumber yakhe umsolo wokuqala uSibiya. Yaxhumana ke iyona ke yashaya ucingo ishayela inumber 0823906569 isikhathi mlawulo 73 kusho ukuthi ke i-call leyo ke isikhathi okuyisikhathi esingakanani ama seconds awu 73 kuba nalokho kubizwa ukuthi ke amathawa ukuthi ke icosha ukuthi ke ikuphi nendawo i3G Westleton MPU Mpumalanga.
Any comment regarding that call?
Khona ngakusho mayelana nale call lena.
Inkosi enkantolo bangisho nje ayi umuzi angikwazi umuzi bengaxhumana nomuzi.
My Lord, as I am saying that I had no contact with the Muzi.
So are you challenging what is on record there?
Ngaba lokhu okula uyakuphikisa yini?
Inkosi enkantolo bani wayefona lapha umuzi noma yimi ngangifona. Understand kahle.
I don't. Did I make the call or is it Muzi who made the call?
Muzi called you.
Muzi owafonela wena.
Ayi inkosi enkantolo bangisho nje ngayiphendula yini wayithatha inamba yami.
Sorry?
Ngayiphendula yini inamba yami wayithatha aze ngixhumane nje nomuzi ngangenayo inamba yami.
No, my Lord, as I'm saying, he on his own, my Lord, can answer for himself as to where he got my number. I personally did not have his number.
And that call lasted for 73 seconds, over a minute and few seconds.
Lana ke uma kuthiwa 73 seconds kusho ukuthi ke kwakuwumzuzu nama second ke.
Ayi angikwazi inkosi enkantolo.
No, I don't know, my Lord.
And then accused number 2, did you keep regular contact with him?
Umsolo wesibili yena masikhuluma ngomsolo wesibili sikhuluma ngoNtanzi ke. Umuntu yena ke owawuvamise ukuthi nixhumaneke.
Uba ngeke ngasho inkosi enkantolo emuva. Bengafonela izingane izigini. Umuntu bengumfonela ngoba njengoTanzi nje bangangibiza ezemsebenzi mangimfonela ngimbiza engomeni noma kusport. Hayi ukuthi bengifonela njenge ngabathe ngiAJ1 na cha.
As I said previously, my Lord, that there was no communication between myself and them, that they are much younger than me, they are children, my Lord. I would call someone like Ntanzi, my Lord. As I said, I called him for work, or I would call someone to come and perform in the traditional dance or sport. But not to say I was in contact with them as people who were in my age group, or the same age as I am.
And I'm not talking about age, I'm talking about a regular contact.
Angikhulumi ke lana ngeminyaka noma ke ngeage kodwa ngikhuluma nje ngokuxhumana nje ukuthi ke kuxhunyana njalo.
No, sasinaxhumana njalo inkosi enkantolo.
No, my Lord, there was no regular contact.
And then what will be your comment if a proposition was to be put that you were in a regular contact with Mr. Ntanzi before his arrest?
Uma ke kungane inkulumo noma ngithi kwena ke bekwanenkulumo ke yokuthi ke ngaphambi kokuthi ke aboshwe umnumzana uNtanzi kwakunokuxhumana okwakukhona ke hayi ukuthi mhlasimbe njalo kodwa nje kwakuyinto eyayivamisile ukuthi nixhumane. Ungathini uma mina ngasho kwena ukuthi kube nenkulumo enjalo ekanjalo?
Inkosi enkantolo ayi bangisho nje ngithi bengangaxhumana ukuthi mhlawumbe every day saxhumana nje umuntu engikhule naye bengifonela mangifuna into ethile kuye okanye ngikhuluma ukuthi hey ngiye ekhaya awehlimke ekhaya hayi ukuthi ize umuntu ongathi ngikhule naye ngathi sixoxe ama secret mina naye ngoku age yami cha.
As I said, my Lord, there was no regular contact to say that we would communicate on a daily basis. Is someone that I would be sharing my secrets with, someone that I grew up with, the same age as I am. I would call him to say maybe if I'm looking for something or I want something, or I will call him when I say I am going back home. Are you not going home?
So it is your evidence now that you will contact him when you wanted something and you will also travel back home together.
Uyasho ke manje ukuthi ke mhlambe uma kuukuthi kukhona okufunayo noma mhlasibheke nihambe ndawonye ke uma ngabe niye ekhaya mfonelela into ezikanjalo.
Yize kanjalo inkosi enkantolo njengenjwayelo nje bathi bangasekhaya bangale njengoba nginemoto nje akekho onehlayo eRustenburg. Into njengalezo not ukuthi konke engangishare naye ngoba mncane vele ayithenga ishira nengane.
Yes, my lord, things like that, like back home, I would maybe try to find out, is there no one who's going to Rustenburg, my lord, as someone who has a vehicle, but not to say that there were things that I would be sharing with him, my lord, as he's younger than me.
Sir, I put it to you that you were in regular communication with Mr. Bongani Ntanzi.
Ngiyakutshela ke mina ukuthi ke umuntu ke owawuxhumana njalo ke naye uBongani Ntanzi.
And in case ID 103-1240, there's 8 communications between you and Mr. Bongani Ntanzi. I'm just summarizing the communications.
Lana uma sibuka nje lana ke kule phepha leli ke ngiyafinyeza nje ukuthi ke kunamahlandla ke awu8 la khona akhombisa khona ukuthi ke kwakunokuxhumana kwakukhona phakathi kwakho kanye naye uNtanzi.
Communications be placed on record. Dates.
Going to put them. My lord, I am citing the case IDs just for my colleagues to take note where I'm sourcing this information. I don't intend to go through the entire call record of accused number 1, my lord. It will take us another week. And if then it's not correct, then it can be taken through these calls during re-examination, my lord.
With respect, my lord, I don't know, some of this education that we get in this court is so foreign to what I normally know. If I re-examine, I'll re-examine on what the learned colleague has said. If it does not go into the content of those cases, I won't go there because he'll object and say, I didn't ask about that. I asked about the globula, the number. So Ms. Advocate Mshololo is right. If the state is pursuing this, we've got all the time in the world. He can one by one mention those calls so that I can also one by one say, on this day, did you communicate with the Mr. Ntanzi? What was the context?
Okay.
My God, I think the imputation must be put forward to the witness for him to either admit. The imputation must be put forward to the witness for him whether he admits or denies. So for the state to say it's case ID 8 calls, I don't think it is sufficient.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay. The first call is from the number 2776264840 on the 10th of December 2019 at 16:37 and 16. MOC lasted 6 seconds. The number 2782306569 and the tower there is Freedom Park ATNGA3. And then the second call on the same date from the number 2776264840 on the 10th of December 2019 16:37:54. MTC lasted 234 seconds from the number plus 278239066569 and the tower there is 2G Freedom Park.
Kulena ke ipage mabili kuphela ke ama call awafunda amanye ke azofunda kulandelayo ke I-date kwakungeyi-10 kuDisember 2019, isikhathi u-16:37:16. I-number 076 2648460 inamba ke leyo ekuthiwa ke la inkantolo ke kwakuyinamba kaNtanzi noma esetshenziswa uNtanzi. Leyo number yashaya ucingo ke ishayela inamba 082 3906569 ekuthiwe ke inamba yakho. Ithawa yakhona ke u2G Freedom Park NGA 3 bese kuthi ngazo futhi i10 kuDisember 2019 u16:37 nama seconds awu54 kwase kuba leyo qala ke bekungama seconds awu6 lana ke inamba lena 082 3906569 iyona ke eyashayela ucingo ishayela le number egcina ngo8460 ama seconds awu234.
Do you see those two calls?
Ngabe uyawabona lama call amabili?
Ngiyabona Nkosi enkantolo ngoba ngisho nacanti lapha sikhuluma before aboshwa ngithi le.
I see them, my lord, but I think here we are referring to before his arrest, not so.
That's correct?
Yebo.
Untezibela Nkosi enkantolo ingane bengaxabene nayo bengifonela sometimes ma content engiyifunayo noma engifuna kuphela. Ukukhona ukuxhuma not uthi every day mhlambe a week akuphili singafonelana cha.
My lord, Ntanzi is younger than me. Ntanzi is a child. There was no animosity between us. I would call Ntanzi if there was something that I needed, but not to say that it would be regularly on a weekly basis, my lord. No.
Again, the number 2776 2648460 MOC on the 20th of December 2019 at 20:15:30. It lasted for a second to the number 2782390659.
Phinde futhi ke ngeyi-20 kuDisember 2019 isikhathi u2015 8:15 ebusuku ama seconds awu30 inamba 076 ekuyinamba ke abathi ke kaNtanzi yashaya ucingo ke ishayela u082 3906569 i-second elodwa ithawa i2G Freedom Park.
You see that call?
Uyayibona le call le?
Nkosi enkantolo ngiyayibona. I think Nkosi enkantolo ma uDisember kanje. NgoDisember ngithi njalo nge25 siyagida ekhaya kwenziwe ama-group edibana nje bese sidibane eGoli nasekhaya dibana uma uDisember ngeza sometimes lapho ngangi-organize khona i-team yami ukuthi kuyodlalwa njalo kumele kuziwe camping.
My lord, this was in December, and what normally happens in December back home, as the groups come together here in Gauteng, even back home, my lord, the groups would come together and would then perform the traditional dance, my lord. So it is possible that I was then bringing or organizing my team together to say that we will be performing, so let us come to camp.
Now, do you see my point that there was a regular contact between you and Mr. Ntanzi?
Manje ke uyalibona ke iphuzu lami lokuthi ke kwakukhona ukuxhumana okwakuvamise ukuthi kwenzeke phakathi kwakho noNtanzi.
Kwasenkantolo ngeke ngasho phambili ngithi uNtanzi bengimfonela hayi uthi mhlawumbe njengo ngentanga yami engikhule naye kwi-AJ1 uthi mhlawumbe kodwa nje bengimfonela ngimfuna utethile.
As I said, my lord, that yes, indeed there was communication between myself and Ntanzi, but not to say in the sense that he was someone of my age. I was sharing things with him, but if there would be something that I needed.
Just want to put these two last calls, then we can conclude on this. And I also want to put it to you that this communication that I'm putting to you, it was happening on his secondary number, not on his main number.
Okunye ngifisa ukuthi ngikusho kuwenaka ukuthi ke lokuxhumana engikhuluma ngako noma ke engikutshengisa kona ukuxhumana ke okwenzeka kwenye inamba yakhe, hayi inamba yakhe le ekuyiyona yona ke bekuyiyona ongathi ke i-main number kodwa ke enye inamba yakhe. eyesibili.
Ayi angikwazi ngasenkantolo.
I don't know, my lord.
And there's two calls that I want us to then look at, and then we can conclude on this. The number 2776264840. There was an MOC 22 December 2019 at 093112 MOC lasting 2 seconds to the number 278239066569, and as well on the same day the number 2776264840, 22 December 2019 at 093136 MOC lasting 23 seconds to the number 278239066569, and the tower there's 2G Freedom Park in both instances.
La amabili ke wona ama-call abange 22 December 2019 amabili, elinye isikhathi u-9:31:12 seconds, ama-second amabili. Ucingo lwalubuya ke kule number egcina ngo-8460 ekuyinumber ke kuthiwa ke inumber kaNtanzi. Ifonela ke u-0823906569, itower u-2G Freedom Park. Phinde futhi ngazo i-22 December 2019 9:31 nama-seconds awu-36. Phinde futhi ucingo lwalubuya kuyona ke le number egcina ngo-8460 ukuya ke kwinumber egcina ngo-6569, nalapho itower u-2G Freedom Park.
I-date kwasenkantolo bani?
Omabili ke lama-call i-22 December 2019.
Kwasenkantolo ke ngibeke kula ma-date la. Ama-date vele sizozivala ngawo. Sometimes uTanzi uyafona efuna i-transport yokuya ekhaya ngoba azikho imoto ezisuka straight eRustenburg ziye emakhaya.
On these dates, my lord, indeed these are the dates on which we would now be closing at work, and that these would be the dates maybe Ntanzi would then call. Ntanzi would call asking with regards to transport going home, because there are no transports that go straight from Rustenburg going home.
Okay, you're saying the groups that do the Zulu traditional dance were also dancing in KZN somewhere around December, correct?
Uthi-ke nanjengoba iy'pani lezi zayihlangana la eGoli, nanoma senisemakhaya ke ngoDisemba kwakwenziwa into eyodwa ke iy'pani lezo ihlangane kugidwe ke ingoma emakhaya ngoDisemba.
Kunjalo kwasenkantolo.
That is indeed correct, my lord.
And then, do you know who was the leader of the Fosloras team?
Ungabe uyazi ukuthi ke ispan sase Fosloras sasiholo ubani?
Ayi angazi kwasenkantolo.
I don't know, my lord.
And then, do you know the dancers of Fosloras?
Ungabe ke insizwe zayigida ke eFosloras uyazi ukuthi kwakuwo bani?
Kwasenkantolo ayi angibazi.
No, my lord, I don't know them.
Okay. And then lastly, I want to put it to you that this statement, Exhibit ZZZ8 from paragraph 1 up until paragraph number 6, you are the source of this statement, yes.
Ngifuna ukuthi ke kubonake ukuthi statement lesi nanjengoba usibonaka ukuthi sinamaphepha ke nama ke ama-page ke awu-3, uthi ke umshushisi ukusuka la eqaleni la ebhalwe khona eqaleni page 1 size kuyena page 2 ubone ukuthi kunama-paragraph, size ku-page 3 ubone ukuthi igcina ke ku-paragraph 7. Uthi ke umshushisi akushoyo ukuthi konke lokhu okubhalwe la yinto eyashiwa uye kwashiwa uwena, kwakuphuma kuwena.
Angikwazi kwasenkantolo.
I don't know, my lord.
And furthermore, we put it to you that your version regarding the assault using that plastic bag that you have described as a 1 meter long plastic with no writing on it, it is false and it cannot be true.
Ngithi ke okushilo mayelana nokushaywa kwakho ukuthi ke wafakwa ke uplastic, wase uplastic uyaboshwa ke la eceleni, ukuthi ke lokho akusilona iqiniso.
Kwasenkantolo kuliqiniso ukuthi ngashaya ngafaka uplastic.
My lord, it is true that I was assaulted and the plastic was put over me.
We further put it to you that you know accused number 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 5 before this court very well.
Phindeke ngisho kwenake ukuthi ke umsolo wokuqala, owesibili, owesine nowesihlanu ubazi kahle phambi kwale nkantolo.
Cela ukwabize okwamagama Nkosi enkantolo.
Can you refer to them by name?
You know Muzisibiya very well,
Umazi kahle umuzi Sibiya.
Ngiyamazi Nkosi enkantolo.
I know him a lot,
but you cannot tell the court where he was on the 26th of October 2014.
kodwa ngeke uyitshele inkantolo ukuthi wayekuphi nendawo nge-26 October 2014.
Angimazi Nkosi enkantolo.
I don't know, my lord, as to where he was.
And then you know accused number 2 very well, Mr. Ntanzi.
Umnumzana uNtanzi umazi kahle naye futhi.
Ngiyamazi uTanzi.
I know Ntanzi.
And as far as the incident of the 26th of October 2014, you cannot assist him.
Ngokumayelana nesigameko sange-26 October 2014 awungeke umsize.
Angizwa
Uthi ke
You were not
ngokumayelana
there.
nesigameko wawungekho mayelana nesigameko lesi nokuthi okwenzeka nge-26 October 2014 akukho ongamsiza ngakho, wawungekho.
hayi angazi lutho Nkosi enkantolo.
No, I know nothing, my lord.
And then the same goes to accused number 4. You know him very well, correct?
He asked to refer by name.
Oh, Mr. Mapisa.
Naye ke umnumzana uMaphisa naye umazi kahle angithi.
Ngiyamazi Nkosi enkantolo.
I know him, my lord.
And as far as to what happened on the 26th of October 2014, you cannot confirm his whereabouts.
Ngokuthi kwenzekani nge-26 zika October 2014 awungeke usho ukuthi wayekuphi nendawo.
Hayi angimazi Nkosi enkantolo wekuphi.
No, I don't know as to where he was, my lord.
And then accused number 5 as well, you cannot confirm his whereabouts on the 26th of October 2014.
Kanye naye ke umsolwa wesihlanu awungeke usho ukuthi wayekuphi nendawo nge-26 October 2014.
Angimazi Nkosi enkantolo.
I don't know, my lord.
And you cannot challenge the fact that accused 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 were together at Fosloras Basotho Hostel on the 26th of October 2014.
Awungeke ukuphikise ukuthi ke umsolwa wokuqala, owesibili, owesithathu, owesine nowesihlanu babe ndawonye eBasotho Hostel nge-Fosloras nge-26 October 2014.
Hayi angazi lutho Nkosi enkantolo.
I know nothing, my lord.
No further questions, my lord.
Is that the gentleman's evidence?
As a court proceeds, my lord, I do have a few clarification re-examination questions. However, Advocate Munisi advises me that he wants to address the question.
Who?
Advocate Munisi.
Yeah.
Please record,
Uh-huh.
just a point of procedure.
Yeah.
I raised earlier on the question as to the status of the statement, and then the court said this is evidence.
Yeah.
However, the court did not mention what kind of evidence is this one, or what type of evidence is this one. So the reason why I'm raising this is because the state indicated earlier on that it will be calling Brigadier Kininda, who apparently took this statement, I don't know for what purpose, which is the reason why I'm asking as to what is then the nature of this evidence that the court has said it is evidence now. Before court is a provisional evidence.
The court is going to call Kininda.
Excuse me, my lord.
The court is going to call Kininda.
In respect of the
Yeah, because
testimony
he-
of this witness as
he
well,
took
my
a
lord.
statement, obvious.
Excuse me, my
I
lord.
say he took a statement,
Yes.
Kininda.
So in the circumstances, this statement or this evidence that relates to this statement, right, it's only before court on a provisional basis.
Not provisional case. It's before court.
Yes.
Yeah.
But
I'm
how?
going to use 186 to call Kininda as I did with the other persons who took statements. Because it's obvious that there is a dispute of facts, and then the person who took the statement
Yes.
is alive and kicking.
Yes, my lord, but the court would remember that it is the state's case that says the information that comes from Mr. Zondo, that the content which is in the statement comes from Mr. Zondo. That's not the court's case. So if
No, I don't have a case.
yes, then if the court says that it is him that is going to be requesting Brigadier Kininda to come and authenticate the statement, then the court is basically taking over the prosecution from the state.
No.
It is doing that.
No, I'm not doing that.
Thank you.